I mentioned that I might want to start painting again, and here I am. So here it is, just a little sketch. And this one is the King Bolete. We have the red chanterelle, the woolly milk cap. Okay, I've recently finished my actual paintings. This one is based on the Fly Amanita. Of course, I wanted to add my little sparkles to it as well. And then we have this one. This is based on the Slippery Jack mushroom. Very simple, very dignified man. My first two male mushrooms. This is based on the Woolly Milkcap mushroom. And this one is based on, this one might be my favorite. This one is based on the King Bolete mushroom. She might be my absolute favorite. Guys, don't come for her. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Okay, and then last, this is the red chanterelle. With this study, I really wanted to focus on body types and kind of playing with the forms of like a mushroom, kind of changing that into what my mushroom girls are usually created as. But I also wanted to kind of show you the stickers that I've created, the cute little characters alongside my paintings that are a little bit more regal and dignified. So for my beautiful King Bolete, this was also the reference that I had. This little character first, and this is what it kind of changed into. Obviously, the actual kind of mushroom looks different than this version and this version, but again, I really liked playing with these ideas. And this is my version of the Slippery Jack mushroom. So I made it very similar in form, but a little bit more humanized. For the Woolly Milkcap, I really played along with this purple because she's more purple in real life. Obviously, my printed looks a little bit more brown up against this just because of color theory, but still like similar style. Well, similar personality, I guess. For the red chanterelle, this one. This is what she looks like up against the original. And for the last one, the Fly Amanita, I actually don't have any more stickers. I need to make some more, but let me show you it. Hold on, put a picture on the screen. So this is the Fly Amanita, and this is my character reference. Again, I just really wanted to play around with humanizing, creating these mushroom characters. If you've seen any of my other art with my mushroom girls, now I can't really say that because I've now created boys. But what do y'all think about this? I mean, this was a really fun study, and honestly, I really enjoyed doing it. Let me know what else you would like to see, and I can totally do that. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more of me, you can totally subscribe. And I also have a playlist, an entire playlist of where I've created. You can see my creation process, you can see my art vlogs, you can see my Meet the Mushroom episodes. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to check out my new website that I created myself, it is called Susrooms.com. You can visit my Etsy shop to see all of these products. You can also see, you can also join my mushroom club. In my mushroom club, I actually send out these cute little guys every single month, and you will get early access to all of my YouTube videos. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. This perspective though. Okay, thank you, bye.